From first home to custom build, RichmondCustomHomes.com connects expert guidance with smart financing. Buying your first home can feel overwhelming, but having a clear mortgage plan makes all the difference. The first step is understanding your budget, credit profile, and down payment options before you ever start house hunting. Next comes pre-approval, which shows sellers you're serious and helps you shop with confidence. Once you find the right home, choosing the correct loan program is key. First-time buyers may qualify for programs with lower down payments or flexible credit requirements. Throughout the process, clear communication helps you understand paperwork, timelines, and closing costs. From offer to closing day, expert guidance keeps everything moving smoothly. With the right support, your first home purchase becomes an exciting milestone instead of a stressful experience. For more info, contact Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Phone 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. Globe visit richmondcustomhomes.com.